What if I told you that one of the most powerful strategies for success is something almost no one talks about, and it requires you to say nothing at all? In a world where everyone is trying to prove themselves, argue, explain, and react to everything, the people who truly win often follow a completely different path: the power of silence. Stoic philosophers understood this secret centuries ago. They believed that the strongest person in the room is not the loudest one, but the calmest one. Think about it. When someone insults you or tries to provoke you, your immediate reaction might be to defend yourself, argue back, or prove them wrong. But every time you react emotionally, you give them control over your mind. Silence, however, takes that power back. When you stay silent, you show that your emotions are not controlled by other people's words. This is not weakness. In fact, it is one of the greatest forms of strength. Silence creates space for observation. While others are busy talking, complaining, and explaining themselves, you are quietly watching, learning, and understanding what is really happening around you. The Stoics believe that wisdom begins with observation, because when you observe more than you speak, you start seeing patterns in human behavior that most people completely miss. You notice who is genuine and who is pretending. You notice who talks about success and who is actually working for it. And most importantly, you start understanding yourself better. Another powerful reason why silence is so effective is because it removes you from unnecessary conflicts. Many arguments in life are completely pointless. People argue because they want to win, not because they want to understand. Stoic philosophy teaches that you should ask yourself one simple question before reacting: is this worth my peace of mind? If the answer is no, then silence becomes your shield. When you refuse to engage in meaningless battles, you protect your energy for things that actually matter: your goals, your growth, and your inner peace. There is also something fascinating about people who speak less. Their words carry more weight. When someone talks all the time, their words start losing value. But when someone remains calm and only speaks when necessary, everyone listens more carefully. Silence creates mystery, and mystery creates respect. People naturally become curious about those who do not feel the need to constantly explain themselves. The Stoics practiced this discipline every day. They focused on actions instead of words. They understood that real success does not need constant announcements or validation. While others were busy talking about what they planned to do, the Stoics were quietly doing the work. And when results finally appeared, those results spoke louder than any words ever could. Imagine how powerful your life could become if you adopted this mindset. Instead of reacting to every comment, you stay calm. Instead of arguing with people who misunderstand you, you let your actions speak. Instead of wasting energy proving your worth, you invest that energy into building a life that proves it automatically. That is the silent strategy. It is not about avoiding the world, but about mastering yourself within it. When you learn to control your reactions, observe carefully, and speak with intention, you gain something incredibly rare in today's chaotic world: inner power. So the next time someone tries to pull you into drama, remember this: silence is not empty. Silence is control. Silence is discipline. And sometimes silence is the loudest statement you can make. If this message resonated with you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more powerful Stoic wisdom, and comment below the word silence if you believe true strength comes from mastering your mind. Your journey toward inner power starts today.